a bitch. If we get to
Bye.
go, and then I went and got food. I just finished 3. What?
We bring gifts.
What?